How you guys doing? This is Rick Toledo, and today I'm going to be showing you what it's like to be using the WL-1 Ulanzi lens. I went to a local park and I shot a couple clips without the lens and then with the lens. So you're going to see the same clip twice, but just pay attention to the left and the right so that you notice the first clip is going to be without the lens and you're going to see it on the bottom left of the screen, and then the second clip that looks exactly the same will say with the lens, but you're going to notice that it's a wider view. So for anybody looking to purchase the Ulanzi lens, you're going to notice the difference. Now you're going to also see some brighter lighting in some of the clips. I had my camera on manual exposure and I didn't realize until we brought it home, but I want to just jump right into it and show you guys what it's like using the Ulanzi lens. I think it's pretty cool, but you know, this is what you guys are gonna, if you purchase it, this is what you're gonna see or notice the difference when you're using the Ulanzi lens. So let's jump right into it. Okay, so you guys seen in the clips, what's the difference between without the lens and then with the lens. I'm sorry, I had to grab my baby. He's a little older than a month and he started crying in between the clips, so gotta take care of daddy duties. So when daddy duty calls, daddy duty calls. But nonetheless, it's a great lens. 50-60 bucks, can't beat it. I'm using my Sony ZV-1 camera. Works great with it. It attaches, there's a black ring that goes onto like a sticky little ring too, and then that stays on the camera at all times. And then you can attach the lens or detach the lens pretty easy, just turning it left or right. And the angles, obviously you notice with the clips, you get a wider angle with the lens. That's obviously the purpose. Clarity is there. The only thing I would say is in my clips, if you notice the light exposure, that's only because of the camera. That had nothing to do with the lens. I had it on manual exposure before I started shooting it, but I only had a limited time because I'm in California and lately it's been raining, and so I had to be pretty quick. And when you have a newborn, man, if you know how it is, you know how it is. If you don't know how it is, let's just say everything is about timing. With that being said, I'm gonna put a link in the description. Again, it's the Ulanzi WL-1 lens. You get it with my link, you know what I mean? So I think it's great. I think if you're starting out or if you're thinking about getting the lens, you should get the lens. Please use my link if you can. It'll help me out. So with that being said, I'm gonna keep feeding my baby, and I hope you guys have an amazing day.